Tylosaurus rex shows that everything is indeed bigger in Texas. This new species is one of the largest mosasaurs ever known. The largest individual we have estimated to be over 40 feet long. The skull alone is 5'7", which, if you're curious, is my exact height. My name is Amelia Zietlow. I am a paleontologist specializing in mosasaurs. Mosasaurs were a group of completely marine lizards that lived at the very end of the late Cretaceous. Their closest living relatives include monitor lizards, snakes, and iguanas. And today I am thrilled to introduce you to Tylosaurus rex, T-Rex for short. When I was a graduate student at the American Museum of Natural History's Richard Gilder Graduate School, I was going through the fossil reptile collections, and I discovered a mosasaur that didn't look quite like the rest of them. The specimen that jumped out at me was AMNH FARB 1543. It was labeled Tylosaurus prorigor. Most of the mosasaurs that are in the collection at the American Museum are from Kansas. This one, in part, stood out to me because it was from Texas, which I had never seen before. Its teeth were actually serrated. It was quite a bit larger than most of the other Tylosaurus mosasaurs. When I brought up the specimen at the AMNH with my mentor, Mike Bolson from Texas, he had also been noticing these differences in the mosasaurs in the collections in museums in Texas. After that point, we're like, okay, something's different. Let's investigate this. Given that some of our T-Rex specimens preserve incredible brain cases, the bones that surround the brain, we were hoping to be able to CT scan some of these, but they're just too big. Instead, we had to surface scan them, which is still useful because then we can render them in 3D in animation software and actually light the models in specific ways to draw out the anatomical details that we're hoping to show in a way that's much clearer than a photograph. We named our new species Tylosaurus rex. It would have been an apex predator, and it would eat anything and everything that it could. And that included other mosasaurs. One specimen had part of its face bitten clean through, and it actually healed, as indicated by some bone regrowth around those injuries. So these animals were living very tough, very fast lives. This new species goes to show how important collections are at museums. You don't have to go out in the field to actually dig up new specimens to discover new species. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh look.